What's going on? This is Aaron Martinez with winwithaaron.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you all of the components that make up a really good sales funnel. Now, this is a video I'm going to shoot for you beginners, or for those of you that maybe haven't seen this kind of approach, or maybe you haven't seen this sort of a layout before. So I'm going to start breaking it down real quick, okay? So what a sales funnel is, it is a way to get somebody to become familiar with you or your product or your service. And it's a way for you to communicate with them and build a relationship with them over time so that they will then maybe decide to buy something from you. And so they say that it takes 5 to 12 exposures for somebody to actually want to buy something from you, unless it's something that you already want and the value is just there and all that. But chances are, if you're marketing to somebody that is not familiar with you, your brand, what you do, any of that stuff, it's going to take a little more action on your part to be able to win them over, so to speak. And so what we begin with is a traffic source. Now there are two types of traffic. There's paid traffic and there's free traffic, right? So social media is a great way to get free traffic, right? You can go in and make posts. You don't want to do those spammy type of posts where you're posting all about your products and how great they are and their ingredients and all that stuff, right? You want to go and create value. And so the best way to go out and create value is to invest, learn, and teach, right? ILT, like Mr. Ray Higdon says, invest, learn, teach. So invest your time and or your money into learning a new skill set. Learn it and then go teach it right away. You don't have to become a master at it before you can teach it. You can actually just read one chapter ahead of the class and you can teach the class essentially. So that is a way to deliver value to your audience. Now, paid traffic. You can do paid ads, you could do Google ads, you can do all sorts of different things. You could do solo ads. You can buy traffic from different vendors, do all this stuff. But it does cost you money, but it will help you to achieve a result quicker if you can do it because you'll be able to scale a lot quicker. So it's like putting $1 into a slot machine and getting $2 out, or whatever the case may be, right? If you have a profitable ad, why wouldn't you keep feeding that machine if it's going to spit out more than what you put in? But, sometimes you just don't have the funds to begin with. And so there's a lot of different free methods that you can use. So if you check out some of my other videos on my channel, you'll be able to see some of those free methods that I talk about. So traffic source could be anything. Could be Facebook, could be Instagram, could be TikTok, it could be a number of different things. YouTube, right? It could be search engine optimization. It could be Google. Put out content that can be found because you want to create content that people are actually searching for if you're going to use search engine optimization or any of that sort of thing. So anyway, you got to have a traffic source. And then I'm going to move on to the next slide here, and that is capture page. Capture page is also known as a landing page. It's also known as a squeeze page. This is where you capture somebody's information. Typically, it's their name and email. A lot of times, it's just their email, right? You're doing this for a purpose. You're asking them to provide their information so that you can go and send them more emails and build a relationship with them. Let them get to know you a little bit better. So, why would somebody put in their information if they don't know you? Well, you've got to offer something of value to them in exchange for their email, right? And so that's what we call a lead magnet. That could be anything from a checklist, it could be a PDF of a cheat sheet, it could be an ebook, it could be a video series, it could be just about anything that you create. Like if you have a certain skill set, create some sort of little resource that you can then offer to somebody in exchange for their email. So the next thing, okay, let's say somebody's entered in their name and their email. Now you want to redirect them to a thank you page, preferably with a video where you can introduce them to yourself and say something to the effect of, hey, I want to thank you for opting into my list. The gift that I promised you is on its way to your email inbox. Go ahead and check your email. You'll be receiving an email from, I would say, Aaron Martinez. You may want to check your spam folder too, just in case it ended up there. And you can then go on and send them to another page that maybe has a product or service that you offer. That way, some people they do want to buy on the spot, and other people it takes them a little more time to warm up to you. So sales page is really good, or a product overview, or just something really, really cool that will keep their attention on you and what it is you're offering. You don't even have to offer your own product. You can actually offer other people's products and make commissions off of it. It's called affiliate marketing. And so if you've done any sort of affiliate marketing, or you've heard of any of these things I've talked about, go ahead and leave some feedback down in the comments. Now, moving on, what happens now that you have their email address? Well, you send them what you promised them, right? You send them the lead magnet and you introduce yourself. So you send them that free gift. It could be anything. It could be a PDF that you link from a Google Drive document or whatever, right? Just send them what you promised you were going to send them in their email and tell them, hey, be on the lookout for the next one. So, email number 2. You want to have a goodwill sort of a mindset with email, right? You don't want to just spam. And you've probably heard of the Gary Vaynerchuk book, Jab, 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 Right Hook. Well, the jabs are little snippets of value that you're offering, right? You want to keep your new subscribers engaged with you. You want them to open your emails when they see them. So one way to do this second email is to do a free training on something. Maybe you have a certain skill set and maybe you know how to teach somebody something relating to that skill set. Whatever the case may be, just do it in a way that expresses goodwill and provides good value. Email number 3, more goodwill, right? You want to deliver value. You want to keep delivering value so that they'll get used to opening your emails and they will have a high opinion of you for providing them value for free, right? That's the cool thing to do. Number 4, continue that. Keep doing that, right? It's a good thing to do. You can't overdo it with the goodwill. And then lastly, you might send an email like, hey, have you friended me yet? Come connect with me on other social media. I would love it if you would attend this webinar that I'm putting on about XYZ. Now you can start to really get them engaged in maybe some of the things you offer. And now that you're building this email list, you're able to communicate with that list anytime a new thing comes out, anytime you post a new YouTube video, anytime you create a new piece of content, a blog post, whatever the case may be, you can send it to your email list. And now that they've gotten used to you and the value that you provide, they're more likely to open up your emails. They're more likely to be receptive to any offer you put in front of them, whether it's your own offer, whether it's a network marketing opportunity, whether it is an affiliate offer, whatever the case may be, they're more open to taking a look at it because they know that you provide value in what you do. And so anyway, that's just kind of a rundown of what kind of the anatomy of a funnel is all about. There's other things that go into this as well. It can get as complex or as simple as you want. I tried to make it as simple as I could here and explain it. So if you got value out of this, definitely leave me a comment below and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like the video. And as always, I welcome new subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification button. That way you see future videos from me. And then also over to the side here, there's going to be some videos that are related to this type of content. And so I hope you find value from those too. I'm going to try and really just focus on helping you to understand this whole process, how to actually go after what you want to do with your talents and the things you like to spend time doing, and how to monetize those things. Everybody is skilled at something. And so how cool would it be to go online and share that knowledge and get paid for it? And that's what I teach people to do. And so, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing this for you. And I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.